Quotes to live by. Number 13. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Mae West. My friend, life is a precious gift, and every moment that we're alive is a blessing. But all too often, we get caught up in the daily grind of work, family, and responsibilities, and forget to stop and appreciate the beauty of the world around us. That's why it's so important to remember the quote, "You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough." This statement is a reminder that life is short, and we need to make the most of every opportunity we have. But what does it mean to do it right? For some, it might mean achieving great success in their careers. For others, it might mean having a happy family and a comfortable home. And for some, it might mean traveling the world and experiencing new cultures. The truth is, there's no one right way to live your life. What matters most is that you find fulfillment and meaning in the present moment. This means pursuing your passions and living with purpose and enthusiasm. If you're not sure what your passions are, take some time to reflect on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Maybe it's a hobby or a creative pursuit that you've always enjoyed. Or maybe it's helping others and making a positive impact on the world. Once you've identified your passions, it's time to start taking action towards your goals. This might mean taking classes or courses to develop your skills, networking with others in your field, or starting a business or side hustle to turn your passion into a career. But don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. It's natural to feel scared or uncertain when you're embarking on a new journey, but remember that every successful person has had to overcome obstacles and setbacks along the way. In fact, one of the keys to success is learning how to embrace failure and use it as a stepping stone towards greater success. When you encounter obstacles or setbacks, don't give up. Instead, use these experiences as opportunities to learn, grow, and become stronger. And remember, success isn't just about achieving your goals. It's also about enjoying the journey along the way. So take time to celebrate your accomplishments, savor the small moments of joy and happiness, and surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. Finally, always keep in mind that you have the power to make a difference in the world. Whether it's through volunteering, donating to charity, or simply spreading kindness and positivity wherever you go, every small action you take can have a ripple effect that touches countless lives. In the end, life is a precious gift that should be cherished and celebrated. By living with purpose, passion, and enthusiasm, you can make the most of your one shot at life and leave a lasting legacy that you can be proud of. So go out there and make your life a masterpiece. Thank you.